Let's talk about Bosch TCZ8002 Anti-limescale tablets 3-pack for all coffee machines in the Vero Series, fully automatic. Longer appliance lifespan thanks to optimum protection against limescale. 2-in-1, removes limescale and protects against corrosion. Optimized for the automatic decalcification process of coffee machines. Suitable for all Bosch coffee machines in the Vero Series VeroSelection, VeroAroma, VeroBar, VeroCafe, the VeroProfessional and fully automatic machines. Contents: 3D scaling tablets. It does the job. I use the tablets on a Bosch coffee machine costing $1,500.00. Results from first anti-scaling operation were excellent. Would recommend this product to other personnel using expensive coffee machines.